which is quite obvious, and I know most of you are saying that it is quite painful, and I can understand that the drawdowns are usually painful. I mean, there is nothing more painful than actually giving back your profits. So anyway, so this is just one day pullback. We're really not looking for a continuation to the downside. And again, if we do have another pushback down tomorrow on people being scared about their profits, it might come down to the 148, 134.84. So let's look at the intraday chart and see what it's doing. I mean, you can see that this is pretty much in a bull market, and all what we have, this is the 135.47 area, and this is where we are right now. And we are, I mean, most probably it should, if it does continue to go down, it will be going down to the 134.97 and 134.82. So if we are going to short this, we're going to short it from here. We're going to short it below the 134.82, and our stop is going to be right above the 134. So our stop on the short is going to be very tight, about 20 pips. So let's say we're going to short around 134, make it 80, so we're below the 80 level, and our stop is going to be around 135, so it's 20 pips, which is above the round number. As far as buying it, this is a big gift. I mean, there's no doubt in my mind that this is a big gift, and if we're going to buy it, we're going to buy it. It is now at 135.31. We can buy it let's play it safe. We will buy it above the daily low here. This will be our buying point, above 135.75, and our stop is going to be here, and our bias is still to the upside. This is the stop, so our bias is still to the upside. So we are going to put 30 pips on the long side, so we're buying it above 35.75, and our stop is going to be below 135.47, and on the short side we're going to go short below 134.82, and we are going to put our stop at 134.97. Now, having said that, I know a lot of you, or most of you, are long the euro yen, okay, and it is quite painful to see this decline coming in. So what you can do, guys, so that you can hedge that position, so you can hedge that profit that you have in the euro yen, you can actually short the euro dollar, okay? So you can short the euro dollar, and you can short the dollar, anything else with the dollar, so that you can, but if you go short the euro dollar, that will protect your position with the euro yen. If you have a position in the Aussie yen, you can short the Aussie dollar, that will hedge your position. So if you and you have to dismantle it after that, because you don't want it to hold completely offset your okay. On the short side, we're going to go short below. Where are we going to go short below? $134.82. And our stop is going to be 135, which is the round number. The structural long point is the 136.97, which is the next one up, and the structural short point, I think this is the one that we're taking it short, which is the 134.82. Okay, so for this we're going to go long above the 135.75. Our stop is going to be 134.542, so we're risking about 35 pips on that. And the structural short long point is 137.36.97. On the short side, we're going to go short below the structure point, which is here, which is the 134.82, and that is going to be, I guess we have to make it also our stop, because it's, anyway, use the 20 pips. I don't want to confuse the issue. Use the 20 pips, okay? So that is the euro dollar. Let me save that, and if anybody has a question, feel free to ask it. This thing takes a minute or two to save, so